How to fix Samsung TV half screen darker. First, confirm the problem. If one half of your Samsung TV is noticeably darker than the other, first check whether the issue appears on every HDMI input, on the TV's home menu, while streaming built-in apps. If it's visible everywhere, the problem is likely with the TV rather than the connected device. Samsung also recommends checking whether the TV's own menus display correctly to help distinguish between a source issue and a TV hardware issue. Step 2. Run the picture test. Press Home on the remote, go to Settings, select Support, then choose Self-Diagnosis and then Run Picture Test. If the picture test also shows one side darker, the issue is likely inside the TV. Step 3. Check the HDMI cable and source. Disconnect and reconnect the HDMI cable. Try a different HDMI port. Test another device such as a game console or streaming stick. Then restart both the TV and the connected device. Samsung lists HDMI connection and source device issues as common causes of half-screen display problems. Step 4. Power cycle the TV. Turn the TV off, unplug it from the wall, wait 60 seconds, hold the TV's power button for 30 seconds if available, and then plug it back in and then turn it on. A soft reset can clear temporary display glitches. Step 5. Update the TV software. Go to the Settings, Support, Software Update, and then Update Now. Then install any available firmware updates before continuing. Samsung recommends updating software when troubleshooting display issues. And then Step 6. Hardware inspection. If the darker half is still present after all software troubleshooting, common hardware causes include loose or damaged T-Con ribbon cables, failing LED backlight strips, or a defective LCD panel. Reseating the ribbon cables may help in some cases, but if the panel or backlight has failed, repair or replacement is usually required. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.